Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today, hey, we're making these smoked devil eggs. Look at that right there. All right, let's focus on this recipe, and I'm gonna show you just how to do it. Let's go ahead and get started. So we gotta go down with some bacon, and you already know bacon makes everything better, right? Look at that. Nice crispy bacon. So we're gonna let this dry. Now we're gonna go to the eggs. So we're gonna boil these eggs for 12 minutes. When they're done, we're gonna bring them out, and then we got to put these eggs in an ice bath. And putting them in the ice bath, this is gonna stop the cooking process, and it's not gonna dry out that yolk, so you'll have a nice little yolk. Now we got our smoke too, because we're gonna be cold smoking these eggs, right? You got to get that thing lit, and then you got to let it sit, blow it out, and then I'm gonna place this in the bottom of the grill underneath the flame broiler plate. Then I'm gonna assemble the grill, and then we got some nice smoke coming up, right? So now we're gonna get these eggs out of the shell. So I'm just doing a nice gentle roll, and then I'm pulling at each side. So be gentle. Now I'm heavy-handed, and you can break apart these eggs, but be gentle when you're rolling them and then breaking them apart, right? Take your time, and these eggs will come out whole, just like that. Now I let the cat out the bag. I'm gonna be making some smoked cheese. As you can see right there, that's the smoke that we're looking for. Not too much, just enough, and then we're gonna let this smoke for an hour. Now we got some pickled jalapeños, right? And we're gonna get these chopped up, just a rough chop, just almost like, you know, your relish. And then we got our bacon, right? So we gotta chop that bacon up. Look at that. I know you hear that crunch. Bacon bits right there at its finest. And then we're also going to use some for garnish at the end. Now as you can see, look at those eggs right there. Nice smoke color, not too much, and as you can see, that's the egg, the stark whiteness up against that smoke. Now we're going to cut these eggs in half, right? And as you can see, perfect yolk, right? Now we're just going to dump them in the bowl, and we're going to get this filling ready to go. So we're just going to get all those yolks out just like so. And now let's go ahead and get these bad boys filled. Now we got our egg yolks. We're going in with some mayo. And then we're going to hit it with some ground mustard. Now you can use regular mustard, but that ground mustard takes it over the top. Got a little relish, and then we hit it with those pickled jalapeños, and then some barbecue rub. So that's some barbecue rub that I made. Now you can use your, you know, favorite barbecue rub, and then just get this bad boy mixed, right? Now we're going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and again, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And now I did say we're using bacon, so we got to put that bacon in there. Look at that, man. I love me some bacon, man. And then we just mix this in, and then add as much bacon as you like, right? So this is about the consistency that I like it. Now you can take it and make it a little bit thinner if you like. Add a little bit more mayo, and then you can add a little bit more apple cider vinegar. Now again, I told you I like bacon, so I got to put a little bit more bacon in there. Now we're gonna be piping this thing. Hey, you can use a gallon freezer bag in a cup or a jar, and then that'll save you some money at the grocery store, so you don't have to buy, you know, those piping bags. But if you do have piping bags, those will do too. Now we're just gonna fill this bag up with that filling, just like so. And you know you got to get that taste test. Man, that thing's good. Now we're gonna, you know, cut a tip off, and then we're gonna pipe this into those eggs. So just like so. There we go right there. Hey, about to have you in the game. I know we got Easter coming up, but again, these eggs right here can be for any occasion, any holiday, any get together. Got to get that last one done. Look at that right there. Perfect. Now you already know you gotta taste one, right? So you save one to the side, and then you just pipe one, and then you put that bacon on it, because you that boss, right? Now we're just getting that bad boy looking good for our guests that's coming over. And then we got a little bit left of those bacon crumbs, and then you gotta, you know, top it off, man. Got a little bit of paprika, you know, just like the traditional eggs, right? And then there you have it. So there you have it. You got your smoked devil eggs for any occasion. I know we got Easter coming up, but this is for any holiday, any get together. And you already know what we got to do. We got to get us bad boy taste test. Now, that's absolutely amazing right there. That's absolutely delicious. Now, if you're new to this channel, hey, smash that subscribe button. And I appreciate you coming by my channel and visiting. Now, don't be a stranger. Check out my other videos. And for the people that's been rolling with me for a while, you already know what I got to do. I got to share this with the fam. And I'm about to smash into these smoked devil eggs. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.